This is beer can baseball at Lake Mendocino.
Oh, I was thinking.
More water.
I was thinking. If I was having it, I would have said, "This is how you use. This is how you use already used beer cans the right way."
Our boy Jackson Hurley up to the plate.
Beer cans the right way. Yeah, this is how you use beer
He's
cans
waiting for the good pitch.
You spit on that one.
Outside.
Come on, Harley, let's go. It's gonna be a big upload. Oh!
Good cut. Joke up a little bit.
I'm gonna do it after him. Fire. What if you hit it in the fire?
Oh, foul tip.
Foul.
Staying alive. Jackson Hurley staying alive.
Oh, wait, we say if it's like foul.
It's 2-2.
Foul be
Home run is putting out the fire.
if you hit it, it goes.
Oh!
He gets it with a high outside pitch. Bringing baseball. Sorry.
Oh, come on, Jack.
Jackson, start with a bat back. You're starting with it front. When he pitches, you're moving it back. Start with a bat.
Start high.
Dude,
Come
I
down
work
a
on
little.
that with him.
There you go. Get that bat back. That's it. There you go. Yeah, you got your arm.
That's it.
Elbow up.
Bat up. Bat
That's
up.
it. There you go. Right there.
Bat
Get that
up.
bat off your
Right,
shoulder.
buddy.
Behind the beer can.
Oh, there it is.
Ball, go.
Yeah!
Oh.